RYOBI 80-volt, HP Brushless ZR3 42-inch electric zero-turn riding mower. Blade replacement guide. Tools needed are a 15mm socket wrench, torque wrench, and a block of wood. Removing the cutting deck. Move the mower to a level surface, then ensure the drive levers are in the open, neutral position and the blade engage knob is down. Stop the motor, remove the start key, and set the parking brake. Compress the deck height pedal and adjust the deck height dial to the lowest position. Lift the seat, open the battery cover, and disconnect the battery quick connect plugs. Disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Press upwards on the deck latch and rotate toward the front of the mower. Repeat for both sides of the mower. Lift the deck and slide forward to detach the deck clip from the hook. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Installing the blades. Wedge a block of wood between the blade and mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket wrench. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blade. Ensure the blade adapter and flat washer are properly seated. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts on the adapter. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole, and the two blade posts are inserted into their respective holes on the blade. Verify the blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up toward the mower deck and not down toward the ground. Replace the spring washer with the concave surface facing the blade, then thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Use the torque wrench to tighten the blade nut according to the operator's manual. To reinstall the cutting deck, move the deck back under the mower, then lift and slide backward to attach the deck to the hooks. Pull the deck pin handles to lock the deck latches, then reconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.